Hey there, English learners! Welcome back to your 30-day English shadowing challenge. Today is day 6. Can you believe it? You've already completed a full week of practice. That's a huge achievement. Most people give up after a few days, but not you. You're still here, showing up step by step, word by word. And that consistency is exactly what will make your English strong. Today, we'll focus on hobbies and free time. Why this topic? Because hobbies are fun to talk about. They help you connect with others, share your interests, and build real conversations. Whether you like reading, playing sports, or listening to music, these are the things that make you, you. And being able to describe them in English will make you sound more natural and confident. So, let's practice 30 sentences together, nice and simple. Each one you'll repeat 2 times. Remember, it's not about speed, it's about clarity and confidence. Listen carefully, repeat after me, copy my rhythm and stress, speak out loud, don't hold back. Ready? Let's go! Here are the shadowing practice sentences you can pause for practice. Sentences 1 to 10. I enjoy reading books.
I enjoy reading books. I enjoy reading books. I like watching movies. I like watching movies. I love listening to music. I love listening to music. I enjoy drawing and painting. I enjoy drawing and painting. I play the guitar in my free time. I play the guitar in my free time. I like singing songs. I like singing songs. I enjoy dancing to music. I enjoy dancing to music. I play video games for fun. I play video games for fun. I like solving puzzles. I like solving puzzles. I enjoy writing in my journal. I enjoy writing in my journal. Clap. Awesome! That's 10 already. Your English is sounding stronger with every sentence. Star sign, sentences 11 to 20. I go running in the morning. I go running in the morning. I like swimming at the pool. I like swimming at the pool. I play football with friends. I play football with friends. I enjoy riding my bicycle. I enjoy riding my bicycle. I like hiking in nature. I like hiking in nature. I enjoy playing badminton. I enjoy playing badminton. I like practicing yoga. I like practicing yoga. I go to the gym regularly. I go to the gym regularly. I enjoy watching sports. I enjoy watching sports. I like learning new skills. I like learning new skills. Star sign. Great energy. That's 20 sentences down. You're speaking clearly, confidently, and consistently. Keep it up. Star sign, sentences 21 to 30. I love cooking new recipes. I love cooking new recipes. I enjoy baking cakes. I enjoy baking cakes. I like gardening on weekends. I like gardening on weekends. I enjoy photography. I enjoy photography. I like traveling to new places. I like traveling to new places. I enjoy learning languages. I enjoy learning languages. I love spending time with friends. I love spending time with friends. I enjoy relaxing with my family. I enjoy relaxing with my family. I like going to the park. I like going to the park. I enjoy trying new hobbies. I enjoy trying new hobbies. Party popper. Excellent! That's 30 sentences complete for day 6. Well done, my friend. You've just completed day 6 of your 30-day English shadowing challenge. That means you've practiced for almost a full week. What an amazing habit you're building. Today, you learned to talk about hobbies and free time, things that bring joy to your life. These sentences will help you in real conversations when someone asks, "What do you like to do?" Now, you'll be ready to answer with confidence. Here's your motivation. Learning English is like learning a hobby itself. The more you enjoy it, the faster you'll improve. Don't worry about mistakes. Don't worry about speed. Just keep practicing every single day. Tomorrow, for day 7, we'll talk about food and eating out, a delicious and useful topic, so make sure you don't miss it. Until then, keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep believing in yourself. You are on the right path. See you tomorrow.